He's got D cups. Look at that. Like, what's that funny object Grandma always has around me? Danger, danger.
And pause.